To change your username on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Twitch. This is the home page. As you can see now, all what you have to do, go to the top corner and click on your icon right here, this yellow. Now after that, click on your profile picture and it will take you to your profile. Now go to the top corner and click edit profile and choose the username option. As you can see, now it looks like you've changed. I just changed my username, that's why I can't change it, but this is how you change it. After you change, just click here down below on change username. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.